Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedchoppingguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 7 highest rated sous vides. Using a sous vide is a surefire way to amaze your visitors and improve your cooking skills. The gadget, which is linked to your cooking pot, allows you to program the time and temperature. Meanwhile, the food is immersed in water in a tightly sealed bag. A sous vide machine is a great help when cooking dishes that need a certain level of doneness. Because of its precise and flawless outcomes, sous vide cooking has rapidly become a popular method of cooking. If you're looking for a new sous vide cooker, you've come to the right place. In this video, we've put together a list of the best 7 sous vide machines to help you cook like you're in a high-end restaurant. The team at trustedchoppingguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the sous vides that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, making it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedchoppingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first sous vide on our list is the Inkbird Sous Vide. The Inkbird Sous Vide precision cooker has intuitive LCD touch controls for simple adjustment and monitoring, sturdy construction, and a detachable housing for easy cleaning and maintenance. However, despite being a little larger than other sous vide models, it is still small and light enough to carry anywhere. It also features a simple design, is incredibly easy to use, and can be operated with one hand. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Inkbird Sous Vide a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: protection and temperature alarm. The gadget will stop working and alarm you when the water level is lower than the minimum, and will also alarm you when the temperature reaches the target setting value. Wi-Fi remote control. The sous vide cooker can connect to your Wi-Fi and through your phone via an application, so you can check or control the temperature anywhere you are. Long battery life. It allows you to set longer cooking times up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. Powerful and quiet. This sous vide precision cooker keeps a homogeneous temperature for up to 20 liters of water, even at its full 1000-watt output. It's also ultra-quiet with less than 40 decibel noise. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is slightly bulky and has a larger heating cylinder than its competitors, which means that it might have trouble fitting into standard SV lids. The second sous vide on our list is the KTEJIIJ Sous Vide Precision Cooker Machine. This precision sous vide cooker has adopted a stainless steel column and a high-end fast heating element. The device's finest features is its flat touchscreen and intuitive user interface, which gives it an ultra-sleek appearance. With dimensions of only 3.43 by 2.31 by 13.74 inches, you can carry it with you almost everywhere. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KTEJIIJ Sous Vide Precision Cooker Machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: precise temperature control and time control. Full touchscreen thermostatic control ensures that the temperature and timing are accurate, ensuring that nutrients and vitamins are not lost. Easy to use. It features a large and exquisite waterproof LCD screen with controls, so you don't have to use any complicated applications to operate it. This allows you to prepare all of your favorite foods without having to keep an eye on them or waste time in the kitchen. 1100-watt fast heating cycle. The 1100-watt cooker is powerful enough to heat up the water to set the temperature quickly, and it will perfectly maintain the temperature for an extended period of time. Energy saving. This sous vide cooker machine adopts a newly designed DC motor movement with a high efficiency output, low heat, and is more energy efficient than other traditional AC motor movement sous vide cookers. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it makes loud noises when in use. The third sous vide on our list is the Bonsen kitchen sous vide. In addition to the stainless steel pump, this device has a 1200-watt sous vide immersion circulator. Its slender shape, gently curved body, and lightweight make it easy to carry by hand, allowing you to single-handedly operate it. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bonsen kitchen sous vide a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: powerful and precise. This sous vide cooker packs a unique, powerful pump that delivers the same power as large immersion circulators and can efficiently heat up to 15 liters of water. This enables accurate, precise, and stable temperature control for perfectly cooked meals every time. Protection and temperature alarm. You will get an alert when the water level falls below the minimum or the temperature hits the selected value. IPX7 waterproof certified. Since the gadget is waterproof, there is no risk of steam entering the internal parts, hence has long durability and safety. LCD panel. With a big LCD and a simple control panel, the numbers on the unit are clear and easy to read, making you enjoy cooking. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the buttons on the control panel work very poorly. You have to push them several times to get them to work. The fourth sous vide on our list is the Sous Vide Supreme Touch Plus. This cooker with a capacity of 11 liters is sleek with a stainless steel design that doesn't just look good on your kitchen countertop, but is also more energy efficient than immersion circulator models. It has a touchscreen control panel and a display for easy control and monitoring. The Touch Plus is ideal for people with busy schedules. Its self-contained design makes it ideal for home cooks, and its precise temperature control makes hands-off, time-saving meal preparation a reality. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Sous Vide Supreme Touch Plus a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Amazon Echo and Dot compatibility. The machine features integrated Wi-Fi as well as Amazon Echo and Dot compatibility, which makes meal preparation a breeze. It's always ready to cook and does not require a repeat setup. Just ask Alexa to turn on the water bath cooker and set the temperature and let the machine do the cooking for you. Energy efficient. It has double wall insulation and a see-through lid that contains steam to prevent evaporation, help retain heat, and lower its energy consumption. Silent operation. The machine's patented whisper quiet, no turbulence thermal system ensures no wiring, burbling, or humming. No evaporation. The see-through lid ensures the water level won't drop to expose your pouches or damage key parts, even if the cook goes on for days. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's difficult to connect to Wi-Fi. The fifth sous vide on our list is the Breville CS10001 Joule Sous Vide. Joule has the smallest yet most powerful sous vide tool available at only 13 by 4 by 4.1 inches. Compared to traditional sous vide, this Touch Plus has an all-white plain body with a silver top and bottom without any display or controls. If you're looking for a kitchen accessory with a clean and basic look, this is the one for you. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Breville CS10001 Joule Sous Vide a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: space saving. This machine is half the size of other sous vide machines. It's small enough to fit in your silverware drawer. Visual doneness and chef-tested recipes. The mobile app has an exclusive visual doneness feature that shows exactly how your food will turn out before you start cooking. It also includes more than 100 custom-developed cooking guides, developed by the chefs for the users. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ready. You cook with Bluetooth alone or control it remotely with Wi-Fi. Simply download the app and operate the machine wherever you are. Voice assistant. You can also control the machine with your voice using Alexa for faster and easy cooking. Keeping all that in mind, the things you should know before you buy the product are: it requires iOS 8.0 or later, Android 4.4 or later. Internet access is required for some features. The sixth sous vide on our list is the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano. Measuring only 4.1 by 2.2 by 12.8 inches, the Nano fits on any pot or container with an adjustable clamp for secured cooking. It is small but mighty and stows away in any kitchen drawer, so your counters stay uncluttered and your favorite new cooking tool stays within reach. The Nano also easily attaches to any stock pot or container with a fixed clamp and is constructed of highly durable plastic that's easy to clean. It's also water-resistant, easy to clean, and made from durable plastic. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: connected cooking. You can set the time and temperature using your phone with the Anova app or simply navigate through the Nano controls. Perfect results. It circulates the water at a precise temperature to cook your food exactly how you like it. Free recipes. Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app, created for cooks of every skill level by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. Ready to use. No stove, thermometer, flame, or additional equipment is needed. Simply attach the cooker to any water-filled pot, put your food in a sealable bag, and set the time and temperature. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it makes a whirring noise. The seventh sous vide on our list is the KitchenBoss Sous Vide. The stainless steel construction of the cooker lends it a powerful and lasting appearance. It measures 15 by 2.8 by 2.8 inches and has a smart flat rounded top control panel with a digital display of the settings so you can control and monitor it effortlessly. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KitchenBoss Sous Vide a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ultra-silent design. It uses a stainless steel double-sided 45-degree angle spiral design with a stainless steel sleeve diamond-shaped water inlet to avoid the spread of sound to the greatest extent. 1100-watt 3D water circulation heating. KitchenBoss G310 has an 1100-watt power, heating 6 liters of water in 15 minutes, cutting the heating time in half compared to other brands. Thermostatic control system. The continuous monitoring of temperature and control of temperature stability ensures that the temperature of every part of the ingredients remain the same. Super water flow. It adopts a 16 liters per minute water flow design, which increases the internal circulation speed of water and ensures temperature stability in each place. So you can put more ingredients in the same pot simultaneously, and you don't have to worry about uneven heating of the food at all. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it appears to read about 10 Fahrenheit higher than the actual water temperature. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated sous vides, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next sous vide roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.